Hey guys, so it's the 9th of April. So this is the date that Jai, my partner, and I were actually supposed to be getting married. But due to everything with this virus, we had to unfortunately postpone the date. But I thought that I might still do something really nice and romantic at home. And I think this would be a great opportunity to take you guys behind the scenes of me setting something up really simple, something that you guys or anyone can do at home. And I think everyone's going a little stir crazy. So tonight I'm going to set up a little romantic boho Moroccan style picnic out on my lawn. It's really simple. I've just pulled together some materials that I have laying around the home. I'm just going to use one rug. I've got some Moroccan poufs, a handful of cushions, some old Moroccan lanterns, and of course adding in candles. And I'm also going to hang some Festoon lights above the picnic just to give it that ambience and romantic feel. Finally, I'm just going to order in some takeout. We've just got some Uber Eats Indian coming. It's my partner's favourite food, and a bottle of ranch. Really simple. Anyone can do this. I'm going to film me setting it up so you can see yourself, and I hope that you can do this at home yourself. Alright guys, so I realised I have a slight problem, which I probably should have considered before. But I wanted to hang fairy lights. Just realised I actually don't have anywhere to hang the fairy lights. I've got some hooks on this side, but yeah, really nothing on this side. So I'm going to try and improvise and find something that I can hang these fairy lights on. So I'm heading to the garden shed and I'll be back. Let's see what we can come up with. All right, so I don't know if this is going to work, how I'm sort of visualising it, but I have a mallet. This was from the pool. It's like a pool scooper pole, and I've got a like a garden spike. So I'm planning on spiking this into the ground using the pool pole, and then I'm going to tie the fairy lights to that. So it's going to work fine. Wish me luck. Alright, so that is basically it. I can't believe we literally managed to hang those fairy lights up using a pool pole. But hey, you can use anything around the house together to pull off a little romantic at home picnic. So that took me less than 10 minutes. And I think it looks really sweet, little Moroccan outdoor picnic. So the only thing you need to add now is some food and some wine. So I'm gonna go prepare my platter and get ready and changed and have this surprise for my partner when he gets home in about 30 minutes. All right, see ya.